Think the more indicators you use, the more accurate your entries get? Well, there's a proven combo I've been using for years. It still works. I'll break down my best try of indicators that when used together give the cleanest and most readable entry points and help you look at the market very calmly and consistently. If you watch till the end, you'll get a complete picture of how to turn chaos into a working system. Today, the spotlight is on a full try of indicators, the Parabolic SAR, the Vortex and RSI. No shaman dances with settings. Everything is used in its classic form. The idea is simple and a bit bold. Try to find an entry where all three tools nod in the same direction, like they planned it in advance. Without overthinking, I open a fast trade to the upside. First thing I check is the Parabolic SAR. This indicator loves order. If its dots are neatly lined up below price, it means the market is clearly bullish and looking higher. In our case, that's exactly what we see. Dots below, sentiment strong, we move on. Next comes Vortex. Here it plays the role of a simple, honest friend. No double meanings. If the green line is above the median and below the 1 level, it means the bullish move is feeling confident right now. The red line stays modestly below and doesn't argue. In this setup, Vortex just reinforces what the market is already showing. Upside is still in control. Moving on to RSI. In the classic view, a lot of people use it as an extremes indicator, heat overbought or oversold. Time to trade the other way. But today, we're not fighting the market and not trying to be smarter than anyone else. We're doing the opposite, moving with the breakout. Right now, RSI is pushing toward breaking the 70 level, and we support that move instead of trying to fade it. As a result, the fast trade closes calmly in our favor. By the way, so you don't get lost among pseudo gurus all over the internet, I made a separate channel. There I post real trade breakdowns, risk management schemes, and my indicator settings in the pinned post. All the materials are updated and access is free while the project is open. Don't forget the promo code, it'll give you a bonus on your deposit. Next, we've got a choice. Either keep trading in the same direction or check what's going on with other currencies. I go with the second option and open the next trade to the downside. Either picture changes. Parabolic SAR dots are above price, Vortex shows bearish dominance, and RSI is confidently moving toward the 30 level. All three line up again, this time in our favor of a downside move. We back that idea with an open short. A small pullback shows up on the chart, but it doesn't break the overall bias. The trade closes green, and as you can see, the bearish move is still intact. Somewhere in the back of your head, the thought of a possible reversal pops up, but that's fine. The main thing is the result works for us, and the market is still behaving in a structured way. We look for the next setup. Parabolic SAR dots are still on top, Vortex points down, and RSI is below the 50 level. Below the median. That again tells us that the downside has room to continue. Here there are two options. Either wait for the candle to fully form or act right away. In this case, I see pullbacks usually fit into a single candle. That kind of correction just happened, and it makes sense to expect a similar scenario. Still, I prefer to wait a bit and see how the current candle closes. If price suddenly pushed up, it would be better to sit it out and not rush. But then a red candle forms and that becomes extra confirmation for me. So I open a sell. Here it's important to remember price history. We're working with fast trades, short expiries, and 1 minute time frame. So focus has to be maxed out. You need to be prepared for these scenarios in advance. In cases like this, you can think about the recovery system, using the deposit as a tool to manage the situation. This time plays out clean and the trade closes green. If you want to understand market mechanics better, I've got a private Telegram community. There we break down the market every day, I share my trades in real time, and give hands-on practice you won't find in the open. To get in, simply message me, the link is in the description. I select participants one by one because I want to build a strong crew. And of course, subscribe to the channel. There'll be a lot more breakdowns here to help you get ready for the real trading life.